they want to cross the river, but they're not going to go very far there.
Right. True, Captain.
So one young male, one young... It'll be interesting to see.
They fully fend for themselves now?
They can hunt. We've seen them hunting.
Oh.
I realise it's a dead end now.
Going in?
So it's a city place to go in, young man. Yeah. There's easier places to cross than here.
Going in?
That's just silly.
Oh,
They get washed over the... No, much better idea.
Look at the other one looking at us. So will they both join a pride at some point?
They're part of the pride. They're just hiding at the moment because of the males. But they would usually be with the bigger females. The young male will eventually get kicked out, whatever happens.
Yeah.
And once he's out, he'll probably have to become nomadic. There's very few prides that are available for takeover for a single male. Generally, in this area of the Kruger as a whole, most prides don't work well together, dominating prides. They'll work well together to hunt and so on, but they wouldn't usually take over a pride. Keep on doing. One of them's going to fall in the river in a minute.
Oh.
Very good. Goodbye. Go, Captain.
Don't know what to do they?
No.
find it strange not being considered food?
Because they don't know that we're edible. They see us as another predator. And generally predators don't eat other predators. Our advantage is the fact that our eyes are in the front of our head. So that to them, we look like competition rather than food.
Actually hanging on to a tree, isn't it? Hanging on to that lump of concrete.
Definitely.
Oh my goodness.
It's just silly.
What stupid thing what are they doing? I mean, they're just hanging on. Very comfortable, they're just hanging on there.
Yeah.